Welcome to the Massachusetts Eye Plastic Surgery Center.
This center is unique or different in a way because it's the only center in the New England area that offers specialized services for the cosmetic surgery of the eyelids and the surrounding area of the face.
Why focus on the eyelids and face only?
The eyelids are the top 3 procedures performed all over the United States for many years. And the same for the non-invasive facial rejuvenation procedures. I think this was a center that was missing from the New England area. The second factor is that the area of the eyelids is very delicate in terms of anatomy and physiology. And there are studies, scientific studies that have shown that when we meet someone, the first thing that we do is look at the eyes and then the eyebrows, and then we scan the rest of the face. So it's no question why these procedures to rejuvenate the area of the eyes and the surrounding area are so popular.
As a super specialist, Dr. Glavas can provide more customized treatments.
I am trained as an oculoplastic surgeon, and this is a specialty that deals mostly with the evaluation and treatment of all eyelid conditions. I am board certified in ophthalmology and fellowship trained in ophthalmic plastic surgery and the aesthetic rejuvenation of the face.
He's published many reviews and research articles in major scientific journals. He's also written several book chapters on cosmetic facial rejuvenation. And there are so many ways you can benefit from his expertise.
Many people come in to the office concerned about their appearance and looking for a more rested, more youthful appearance, basically. Because they want to find a better job or they want to feel better about themselves. So the picture will come up on the screen.
The most important part of any procedure is the consultation.
The consultation in my office is a lengthy procedure, and mainly because I'd like to establish a personal relationship and mutually understanding relationship with all my patients. It's important for them to understand pre-procedure, what's going to happen during the procedure, and actually after the procedure.
A lot of patients require surgery, like an eye lift, but there are many less invasive options as well.
The minimally invasive procedures have been very popular, especially the last 5 years, again based on statistics, because the combination of them can provide similar or same results without any downtime. And that's how the term lunchtime procedure came up. So people can come in the office during their break and have a Botox cosmetic injection or maybe a filler injection to improve their wrinkles, folds or scars, or even get a chemical peel, a light chemical peel to improve the surface of the skin or the pigmentation, and then go back to work without any evidence.
Dr. Glavas also uses cutting-edge laser technology.
The benefit about this laser is that pretty much can be done on one day, and then 3-4 days later that person can be out and about. There's no downtime. It can be used to improve the texture of the skin, sunspots, sun damage, acne scars, wrinkles, and fine blood vessels.
But while the technology here is advanced, safety is never compromised.
Everything is done based on evidence-based medicine, and in plain terms this is a group of procedures that have been established for their safety and their effectiveness.
His services go beyond procedures. Dr. Glavas also offers an array of products.
I think for the eyelids, because it's really thin and there's no fat underneath, it's very important to use the products that are made for them. My personal opinion is that we don't have many products out there on the market. That's why I decided to create a private line, and I can specifically have a consultation with someone and recommend specific products regarding their pigmentation or maybe wrinkles or maybe skin tightening. Along with that, obviously we use commercially available products, which I think are great.
In every sense, patients are #1 at this practice.
The decision to bring the office to Newbury Street was not based only on the high quality services that people would expect to get here, but also the accessibility of the location. It is a central location, it can be accessible from anybody all over New England, and believe it or not, it has parking available on the street and surrounding parking garages. It's also accessible by public transportation.
They'll even validate parking up to 1 hour for clients. And Scheduling an appointment is just as convenient.
Scheduling an appointment with our office is very easy. It can be done even after hours, so even if the office is not open. We're actually thinking about opening the office on Saturdays morning, maybe one Saturday per month, because our volume is getting really high.
Even the environment is tailored to the patient.
The space of the office has been designed with functionality in mind, but also putting the patient on top of the list. We wanted to make it feel comfortable, warm, not a hospital or medical office environment. We have eliminated waiting time, and we don't call it waiting room, we call it friends and family room or registration room, when someone can fill in paperwork or wait while someone else is having a consultation. We have educational materials specifically made for the cosmetic patient in mind, with all the before and after care information for all the procedures we provide.
And if you think you can't afford a procedure, think again.
I personally think that plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery is affordable now. Especially for the area of the face, the prices are not prohibitive. And with the addition of financing, it's a no-brainer. Anybody can have a cosmetic procedure.
These patients would say it's worth every penny. You can learn so much more about any procedure by visiting Dr. Glavas' website. Just log on to eyelidspecialist.com.